Hello everyone, my dear second class children. Already we have discussed about water lesson. Today I am going to explain objective type question and answers from the textbook, children. If you have textbook, please open the textbook, children. Yes, before that I am playing one video. You have to watch this video and understand the lesson, children. So for better understanding, I am playing one video for you, children. So you have to watch and understand and clear the topic. Okay, children?
Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. Plants, birds and animals also need water to live. We need water for our daily use. We need it for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, and cleaning. Water is also used to produce electricity. The farmer also needs water to plow the fields. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fills up the lakes and rivers. We get drinking water from streams, lakes, ponds, or from under the ground through wells and tube wells. This water is stored in tanks and reservoirs. As in some cities, we too get our water supply from lakes. Water is stored in a place called a reservoir, from where it is carried to different places through water pipes. It finally reaches our homes and comes out through our water taps. Water purification. Water comes to our homes from several sources. This water may be impure. Treatment of water is therefore necessary. The water stored in tanks and reservoirs is filtered and disinfected to make it germ-free and pure before it reaches our homes.
So children, have you understood, ma'am? Okay, so water is very important for our life. The source of water means rain. Okay, rainwater reaches the lakes, rivers, wells, seas and oceans. Okay, every day we are using plenty of water for drinking purpose, for bathing, for washing clothes, for cleaning the utensils and many purposes. We use water for many purposes, children. So from morning till night we drink more water. Yes, when we feel thirsty we drink more water. For growing plants also need water. So plants also need water to make food and for growth. Okay children? Okay, now I am going to explain objective type question and answers from the textbook, children. Open page number 78. Page number 78, they given some pictures. See what is the name, what he is doing, children. What he doing? See what he is doing. He is bathing. He is bathing. And see what she doing. She is washing the clothes. Now third picture, see what he is doing. He cooking the food. Now fourth picture, see what she doing. She drinking water. Okay, write all these. Okay, if you have textbook, please open the textbook, children. Okay, now see this page, Amma. Now see this page number 79. Page number 79. Here they given some pictures for you. See here page number 79. Given below are the pictures of some sources of water, children. Some sources of water. Write down their names in the space provided. Okay, what is the first picture? See here, ma. Is it a lake or river, children? First picture, see, is it a lake or river? Yes, that is the lake. Right, L-A-K-E, lake. Now second picture, very easy for you. What is that? Hand pump. What is that? Hand pump. See the third picture, children. Villages, we find this. What is that? Pond. Third picture is pond. Right, P-O-N-D, pond. Now fourth picture, see here, ma. You know well. What is that? Yes, W-E-L-L, well. Okay. Right, first one lake, second one hand pump, third one pond, and fourth one well. Okay. Now page number 80. Okay, page number 81 open, children. Page number 81. Page number 81, see. Okay, page number 81. Already I wrote, yes, page number 81. Circle the correct word. They given 4 blanks for you, children. Okay, they given 4 blanks for you. I am reading first question. See the first question, children. Water can easily become fit or unfit for drinking, children. Actually, water can easily become unfit, unfit for drinking. Okay, that's why you should boil the water at least 15 or 20 minutes. Boiling kills the germs, children. Okay, so before drinking, you should boil the water, or you can purify the water by using the purifiers, aquaguards. So many purifiers are available in our homes also, children. Every parent, everyone, yes, nowadays everyone use the water filters or purifiers for drinking water. Now water can easily become unfit for drinking. You have to circle this word. Okay. Now second one, read, we should dash wash clothes in water bodies. Water bodies means what, ma? Water bodies means water is present in the lakes, rivers, where, okay, lakes, rivers, seas, ponds and oceans, no? Yes. You should, yes, we should never wash the clothes in the water bodies. If you wash the clothes in water bodies, water becomes dirty, no, children? That water is not fit for drinking. That's why don't wash the clothes in water bodies. Okay, all detergents, if you wash the clothes, detergents are mixed in the water bodies. Many aquatic plants and animals live and survive in the water. Okay, if you use more chemicals, more detergents, aquatic animals may die. That's why we should never wash the clothes. We should never wash the clothes in water bodies. Okay, children? Circle the correct word. Okay, now? Next, see the third question. Dirty water contains. Dirty water means impure water. Water contains dust, dirt or mud. So water becomes muddy. Okay, so dirty water contains nutrients or germs. Nutrients, you don't know. Nutrients means carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. But dirty water contains germs, means bacteria, viruses, protozoa, fungi. Mainly dirty water contains germs. Okay, now if water contains bacteria we may get vomitings and loose motions and diarrhea and dysentery, children, and also we may get typhoid, children. So dirty water contains germs. Germs means bacteria, children. Okay. Now fourth question, read. Drinking water should be stored in. Drinking water should be stored in open or closed containers. Containers means we are using yes, we are using buckets, okay, water bottles, okay, na, and drums and tanks for store the water, no. So drinking water should be stored in. Okay, ask to mom, where should store the drinking water in your home? Ask your mom. Drinking water should be stored in clean container or closed containers. Closed containers. Okay, children, closed. Already your parents, mother use the lid. Okay, lid means mota. Okay, so drinking water should be stored in closed containers, children. Closed containers. Okay, children. Now next page open, children. Now next page. Okay, they given page number 82, true or false, amma. They given, okay, only 3 true or false for you. Okay, I am reading first question. Always leave the tap open while brushing your teeth. Always leave the tap, okay, water tap open while brushing your teeth. Is it a true or false, children? Okay, are you open the water tap while brushing your teeth? Okay, is it true or false? Always leave the tap open while brushing your teeth. Is it a good habit, children? No. So this is a false. Okay. Now second question, see, never. Okay. Second question, see, rainwater can be collected in tanks. Rainwater collected in tanks. Is it a true or false, amma? Yes. Rainwater we should collect. We should collect the rainwater in water tanks, buckets, drums. Okay, children, buckets. Okay, pots. Rainwater is the purest form of water. Okay, all yes. Those who are doing science experiments, they do store the rainwater for doing science experiments, children. Okay, so that's why rainwater can be collected in tanks. Okay, you too do. Whenever it rains, you do store the rainwater. That water is useful for growing plants and washing clothes and cleaning the utensils. Okay, children, don't forget it, children. Rain, you too. Okay, whenever rains falls, you have to store the rainwater. Okay, children. Now third question, see, only humans and animals need water. Is it a true, amma? Only humans and animals need water. What about the plants, children? What about the plants? Are plants need water or not? Only humans and animals need water. Okay, now what about plants? Plants also need water, no, children. That's why it is a false. Okay, now not only humans, animals and plants also need water. Okay, so only humans and animals need water. So that's why it is a false. Why? Because plants also need water. That's why it is a false. We have to write FALSE, false. Okay, children. Okay, remaining exercises tomorrow we will discuss about those, children. Okay, today you have to enter these, okay, in the CW or HW, it is your wish, children. But you have to enter all these and you have to read one time. Okay, children. Okay, bye. Take care. Have a good day, children.